Good day children, Sai Ram. Welcome to Active English class. Kids, I hope you all must have practiced the chapter which we have completed in a previous period. Yes? So today one more interesting chapter I am going to teach you all. Okay? And in this chapter we are going to see where to use cannot in the place of can't. Okay, I hope you all will like to learn this chapter. Yes, we'll start. Okay, the name of chapter is can, cannot. That means can't. See kids, now in the place of word can't, we are going to use cannot here. Okay, so let's start. Complete the sentence. Let's see. See the picture first. The boy is tying a ribbon on his eyes. So the sentence is I can't see anything. The boy is saying I can't see anything. Now the same sentence, if you are explaining to some other person, how you will explain? He can't see anything. We will not use his name. We will use here a common noun, he, she or it. Okay. So here we are using, he is a boy. Yes. So we are using he. What that boy is saying? I can't see anything. And how you will give answer to your friend? How you will reply to your friend that he is not able to see? How you will say? He cannot see anything. See here in the place of can't we have used the word cannot. Okay. He cannot see anything. Okay. Now we'll see the next example. Now see this. See the car. See, I can't stop. I can't stop. There is someone in the car and the car is in full speed and that person is saying I can't stop. I can't stop. Now suppose that person is saying I can't stop. Now how you will explain the same sentence to your friend? Yes, how you will explain? There is a person, there is a man sitting in the car. Yes, that man is saying I can't stop. Now how you will write this sentence? How you will write this sentence? He can't stop or he cannot stop? Yes, think for the answer. Yes, how you will write? He cannot stop. See kids, now in the question can't word is given, but in the answer we are using cannot. Okay, he cannot stop. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. See, look at the picture first. It is a picture of a girl who is carrying a bag. Now that girl is saying I can't carry the bag. Then what that girl is saying? I can't carry the bag. Okay. Now how you will explain this to other girl? Yes. Which word you will change here? You will change can't. And which word you will use? Cannot or can? Yes, correct. Which word? Cannot. So how you will frame this sentence? By using the word cannot. Let's see. She cannot carry the bag. How you will write the answer? She cannot carry the bag. Okay. Now let's see one more example. Now look here. Now one boy or one person is sitting in a car. And what is saying? I can't start the car. I can't start the car. Now how you will explain this same sentence to your friend? How you will tell your friend that he can't start the car? How you will tell? Which word you will change here? Yes, correct. You will change the word can't. Okay. And which word you will use here? Can't or cannot in the answer? Think for the answer. Yes, kids, correct. Which word you will use? Cannot. So how you will write the answer? Let's see. He cannot start the car. How you will write the answer? He cannot start the car. Okay. Now let's see one more example. Okay. We can't go down. We can't go down. See here we are using we word. Why we are using here we? Because we are talking about two persons. Yes, here we are talking about two persons. Yes. So what they both of them are saying? We can't go down. So how you will explain the same sentence to your friend? How you will tell you the same sentence to your friend? Think. Which word you will change here now? You will change can't? Yes. And which word you will use in the answer? Correct. Cannot. So how you will write the answer? Let's see. They cannot go down. When we are explaining this sentence to the third person, we word will change to they. Okay. And in the place of can't, we are using the word cannot. Which word we are using? Cannot. So how you will write the answer? They cannot go down. Okay. Now come to the next example. Yes, again look at the picture here. See, two persons are locked in the room. And what they are saying? We can't get out. What they are saying? We can't get out. Why again here we are using we word? We are talking about more than one person. Two people are here. Yes. So when we are talking about two person, we use we word. Okay, we start with we. Okay. Two or more than two we use we. Okay, we cannot get out. So how you will write the answer now? If you are explaining this to your friend, how you will frame the sentence? Think for the answer. Yes, very good. Good. How you will write the answer? Let's see. They cannot get out. How you will write the answer? They cannot get out. Okay. Now we'll see one more example. I can't talk. I can't talk. Now look at the picture. The boy is saying, I can't talk. What that boy is saying? I can't talk. So how you will explain this same sentence to your friend? How you will tell that he cannot talk? How you will tell? He cannot talk. In the place of can't, which word you will use? Cannot. So how you will write the answer? He cannot talk. That boy is saying, I can't talk. How you will tell this sentence to your friend? He cannot talk. How you will explain? He cannot talk. Okay. This was a very simple chapter in which we have to use cannot in the place of can't. While writing the answer, we have to change the can't to cannot. Okay. Can't word is the short form of the cannot. So, in the place of can't, in the answer, we are replacing the word can't and we are using the word cannot. Okay. I hope kids you have understood this chapter. Okay. Please try to write this answer in your Active English workbook. Okay. We'll see one more new chapter in the next period. Till then, thank you kids.